Okay.
Megan, what you do in my camera?
I didn't do anything this time.
I'll believe that one.
Yum! Graham crackers! Chocolate!
Okay, there's only one way to do this, and you gotta do it right. I just hate people who don't make s'mores right. S'mores are just like a tradition thing. If you don't make them right, then you're just some crackhead. And I'm saying that honestly.
Yum! She got the stick.
Yes! It's a s'mores stick, you num-num.
I know. And it's on. Dun, dun, dun.
You are Riri.
Live. And the concentrating starts.
Now you can only do this one way right.
Ooh, look at that. Doesn't it look awesome?
Once it's nice and golden brown on the outside, yet it's nice, soft, and mushy on the inside, then you know it's done.
Dun dun dun.
Then... Bye! Bye! I'm more important.
Well.
I saw that. Don't think I'm stupid.
Right. I'm kidding.
See how many s'mores you get.
Yummy! Oh, you already got it. Well, can I eat it?
No, you cannot eat it. Not yet. Are you nuts?
Yes.
Apparently. Say hi to your mom.
I'm not nuts. Am I?
Yes, you are.
No.
People tell her she's nuts.
Mm-mm.
And how much time do we have left? 45 seconds.
Beep. Well.
I don't like people. People are boring. Especially the people on party line.
Yeah, I know.
I mean,
They only speak Spanish. They're like,
It's all this.
shamalama ding dong. Ooh, you
want
touch my
fortune
ta-la-la. You want fortune cookie? You want la-la.
No.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. I mean 10
Yeah.
seconds.
Whatever. You know what I meant.
Ouchie.
Bye.